Good morning from Amazing Animals.
We're back.
Yeah, we are back. You guys know we love coming to Amazing Animals. They do fantastic work here. But today, we're going to be joining in on that work.
Yeah, we're here to work today.
Right. We're going to do some volunteer work, and they do have a volunteer program, and we will leave some links in the description down below so you guys can find out more information about that if you would like. So today, we're going to be going around cleaning some habitats and getting the animals ready because they're having an event tonight.
Tonight, they're having a paint, sip, and support. So basically, you're gonna come here, paint some cool animals, you're gonna see some cool animals, there's a silent auction.
All you can eat, all you can drink.
Yeah, it sounds really amazing. They do yoga, there's all kinds of fun stuff that they do here. So yeah, definitely check it out. We'll leave some links, like you said, in the description.
Yeah, let's go get to cleaning. Also, you guys remember Brian and Kylie, the owners of Amazing Animals.
Hi guys.
Hello.
Yeah, so you guys are gonna show us a new animal today.
Yes, we got a brand new animal, a cute little three-banded armadillo from South America. He is the cutest little guy. He's about 4.5 months old now.
So this is Dill?
Yes, and three-banded armadillos, they're found in Brazil, and they're the only species that can completely curl up into a ball. So you can see that's his head plate there and his little tail, so he can stay really safe from predators. There's over 20 species of armadillo, and we have 9-banded armadillos that are here in Florida. They get a little bit bigger. And he's got all these little hairs on his back, so he can feel vibrations if a predator's coming up close to his territory. He'll curl up like this to stay really safe.
And they're called three-bandeds because, flip them around real quick. Dill is a little weird. He has an extra band there, but they have these 3 bands here.
Oh,
so
wow.
9-bandeds have 9 of these. So yeah, for some reason they don't count the first one. It's only the bottom 3. I don't know why.
I love his ears though. If you can see his little ears, they just tuck up in there.
Like big Dumbo ears.
Goody, and he's got little nails, and armadillos are actually closely related to sloths. Sloths, anteaters, and armadillos are all in the same family. He's like, I was sleeping.
He's so cute.
Yeah.
Look at that little nose.
What do they eat?
They are an insectivore, so he
okay.
likes to eat lots of bugs. He loves mealworms, and we also feed him some fresh fruits and veggies too. And we're really excited. He's going to be an ambassador animal for us, so he's going to come out for programs so people can meet him. He's a little shy still, so we're still working with him to get him comfortable with us. And this summer, when we go to all of our daycares and summer camps, he can be able to meet kids and teach them all about him.
And we purchased him from another zoo.
Good morning.
He's like, hello.
He's like, no, I'm going back to bed. So we are going to clean our skunk exhibit. We're going to do a nice deep cleaning of them today. We've got Champ, who is ready to go. Bam Bam, he's like, okay, we might be coming out for some breakfast. So they love their crates. They are crate trained. So we're going to be crating them so that we can go in. We got our scrub brush, some bleach, some fresh new blankets for them. So we're going to take everything out here. We're going to scrub it all down, and we're going to let them eat their breakfast while we do that. So we got a nice little healthy diet here for Champ and Bam Bam. So fresh fruits and veggies. They also get some special omnivore biscuits, and skunks are omnivores. This is got all the good nutrients that they need. Like I said, love going into their crate. They know they get some breakfast here. So let's see. Champ, you coming first, buddy? You go right on in. And then Bam Bam, our old man. You guys have seen him the past 4 years. Hi, buddy. Good morning. And we do feed them separate every single day so that we know they're each getting their own diet and enough of their food and nutrients. And so we'll let them munch on that. The water bowls and their food bowl can come out. Okay, you want to pass it to me?
Sure.
There you go.
Yep.
That log can come out. The big one stays. There we go.
That is their little nest box. So that's what they sleep in every night.
He's heavy duty.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
I'll get the poop one.
So yeah, we have 2 skunks, so we made 2 nest boxes, and they both sleep together in one, and they poop in another.
One of this hose is high pressure.
Okay.
And we're gonna just spray everything down. We'll spray all this stuff off.
How often do you do this?
So a deep clean like this, we're gonna do once every week or so, just
Okay.
kind of depending on how it is. We do clean them every morning, but just kind of picking up poop, spraying it down, not taking everything out. So this isn't a normal one, but we do want to make sure they all get nice and cleaned when they need to. So we saved this one for you guys today.
So now Tim is cleaning out the poop box. You're doing great.
I think I got a little on my head.
Oh no.
All right, now Jen's getting to work, scrubbing it down with a 10% mixture of bleach and water.
Should I dunk it in like every...
Yeah, dunk it in a lot. You got to get all the bleach everywhere.
Okay, sorry. I don't know. I don't normally do this. This is my first time cleaning a skunk enclosure.
You're doing a great job, Jen.
I feel like I've never done it either.
They're gonna love it.
Don't forget to get on the shelves too.
Oh, do you do the whole thing?
Yep, the whole,
okay.
everything that their little feet touch, we want to sanitize.
Okay.
Everything that the light touches.
So Brian is rinsing out the habitat that I just scrubbed down. So we're gonna get it all nice and clean and ready for the skunks to go back in. And then what are you doing over here?
Rinsing out the poop box and the sleep box.
Yeah, so this is the box that they poop in. You're scrubbing that out real good. And then this is the box that they sleep in. And we're gonna scrub that one out really good too.
And now Jen's cleaning out their food bowls.
Oh yeah.
Going.
Yeah, so there I have a little scrub pad with some Dawn on it. And then this has already been sanitized, so now I'm kind of scrubbing around the sides. Just to make sure it's nice and clean so that when they get their fresh water, it'll be super clean and fresh for them.
You guys, I like being the one filming while everyone cleans. This is a nice change. Getting their sleep box back for them.
Do you want to rinse this part off right here?
Yeah.
On the bottom.
So if you guys want to give them a couple new fresh fleece blankets in their sleep box.
In the box?
Yeah, so they can snuggle.
Now that we're done cleaning, we have to give them some enrichment and then let them back into their habitat.
Ooh, so this is the enrichment here?
Yeah, so this is a fun little puzzle feeder that it's a dog puzzle feeder off of Amazon, but it's great for the skunks. So they've got some snacks in there, some mealworms and banana chips, so an extra little treat. And skunks have really long nails for foraging, so this is actually perfect to elicit some natural behaviors with them, that they'll use their nails to get the snacks out and have some fun with this.
So we put it back behind the big log.
Yeah.
Now you're gonna let them out and see if they can get it?
There you go. He ran off. What are you finding? He's like, I'm just going back to bed.
go to my
Oh.
And skunks have a great sense of smell, so they're like, ooh, everything is new and smells nice and fresh.
They're trying to find it. Wow.
Bam Bam's thinking about it.
You're doing so good. You're getting all the snacks. There's some banana chips in there.
You gonna share?
He's like, no, these are all for me.
Look at Bam Bam.
Bam Bam's like, excuse me, sir. This is so cool to watch them. So this is what they would do out in nature. They would be kind of like digging around for things, and he's definitely using his little claws to dig in there and get those snacks.
Oh, Bam Bam found one that he dropped.
Oh yeah.
Bam Bam's the smart one. He lets Champ do the work, and then he leaves the food.
Yeah.
Well, enjoy your brand new cleaned habitat, you guys.
Our next area that we have to do some cleaning in is the capybaras. We sponsor this exhibit. These are our best friends out here, and they just had some babies.
They
This is
did.
PJ and Penelope and their little babies, and we're gonna go in there and clean out their little pond and see the babies. First thing that we have to do is we gotta drain the water out of the pond. So we're headed over to this side. Yeah.
We have a drain line that just goes right out to the pond, and there's an on-off valve, so it's pretty easy.
I can do that.
Draining. Now
There it goes.
There's a wild gator in the pond, and when you see all the minnows, I don't know if you can get it on film.
Oh yeah.
But when the water starts draining, the minnows try to swim upstream, and then they are easy for the gator to pick off. So every now and then you get a really cool shot of the gator or some turtles munching. But I don't know with all of us up here if he's gonna... Oh, he's right there. Do you see him?
Oh yeah. There he is right there. Is he gonna come over and eat some breakfast?
We can poop scoop wherever you see. Generally, it's the mud pit over there. This is poor Jen. It's like Tim knew what not to grab. We're picking up that.
I've already actually scooped this once this morning too, just to show you how much capybaras poop.
Oh wow.
Largest rodents in the world.
It smells pretty terrible too.
Yeah.
I don't know, Jen. I think my job's a little bit harder than yours right now.
Oh yeah?
I have to untangle this hose.
Oh my gosh. Should we trade?
Yeah, I don't know. I can't believe I cleaned up all this poop by myself, Jen.
Yeah, you did a great job.
I'm just kidding. Nice job on the poop.
Oh, they're gonna go use the pond that we just cleaned. You guys, we just cleaned it all up for you. So I wanted to show you guys that PJ and Penelope had 3 little baby cappies. They're about 2.5 weeks old and they are so adorable. Look at them. I wish you could hear them. They're making like these little chirpy noises. They're super, super cute.
And the babies are actually slated to go to other zoos. They're gonna be ambassador animals for their species. Lots of zoos love capybaras. They're not the longest lived animal. They only live about 10 years. So there is kind of a turnover in capybaras, and they do really well in multi-species habitats. So they do really well with lots of other animals, and they live in big family groups. So zoos constantly need different bloodlines and different genetics to keep their genetic diversity strong.
Look at these little guys. So we're not sure if these are boys or girls yet. So they do have hair samples out to labs right now to do a test to see. They are so adorable. Look at them playing with like the little twig. Oh. All right, so now that the pool is drained, what are you doing?
Hosing down the poop.
In the mud.
A little bit of mud, a little bit of poop.
So you're almost done hosing out the whole entire pool. It looks awesome. It looks super clean. And then they'll also scrub off all around the pool, right? All around the inside. Yeah. So scrub off like the little algae that's growing and any little poop or mud that Tim missed. It'll be nice and clean for PJ and Penelope and the babies.
Make sure you get their knee like super bad.
You're killing it in there.
Oh, thanks. Loved it. It's crazy like how much cleaner it is in here though. Like it really, it didn't seem that dirty when we were looking at it because I'd never really seen it like crystal clean, you know. Every time we come they've like been playing in it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. But like, it's just nice.
Yeah, it doesn't last long once they get in it, but it's very gratifying to watch it all get clean.
Yeah.
Now Jen's being the director.
Alright, I cleaned that spot.
So now Tim is taking the hose and hosing down some of those spots that we just kind of like deep clean, like we gave a good scrub to.
The good news is it doesn't have to be spotless because they're just going to get right back in it and make it all dirty.
But it is really clean, a lot cleaner than it was, so it's almost spotless. So now Tim is done rinsing out the pool and he's filling up the little mud wall over here with some more water for them. They love the mud.
Now that the capybaras are all clean, we're gonna give them some bamboo as some enrichment. We planted lots and lots of different trees around that the animals can actually eat. So we have cactus, bamboo, crepe myrtle, and we use it for enrichment for the animals.
And the reason that this is enrichment is because it's not something that they get every day, so it's kind of like a little treat for them. What do you guys think? Look, Dad's coming over. Oh, the babies are eating from Jen's stuff. You coming over? You gonna eat alongside Dad? Right behind you, Jen. Oh no, right there. Oh. Hey, Penelope. You're like really going into it.
Oh my goodness. This one's like, I kind of want it, but I kind of don't want it.
Yeah, Mom and Dad are over here. Now it's time to scoop the barnyard. We gotta clean up all your poopies. Sure.
Are you trying to headbutt it? You're headbutting the poop?
I don't know if you guys want this, it's poop.
I'm like, what? I'll be the judge of that.
Scooping the barn's almost a twice-a-day thing with this many animals in here.
Whose poop is this?
That is more than likely the pig or the donkey.
Wow, big.
It's the big, yeah. The pigs and the donkey have the biggest poop.
Here's our big old bucket of poop that we cleaned out of the barnyard.
So you guys were saying that you do this twice a day? That's a lot of poop.
Yeah, it is.
I thought Jackson pooped a lot. This is a lot.
Uh-oh.
Don't tip it over.
Who knew that emus love to be wet? Love to play in the mud. So that was our day volunteering at Amazing Animals. We had an amazing time.
It was a lot of fun. Yeah. I didn't realize how much work goes into it.
Yeah,
you did great.
You guys were an amazing help. Thank you so much for coming.
Thank you. We had a lot of fun. It was definitely a little dirtier than like our normal day is, but it was really cool.
And you guys now have a YouTube channel too.
Yeah.
Yes, we just launched our YouTube channel for Amazing Animals. Please subscribe. We're gonna do a lot of content about the sanctuary, what it's like taking care of all these animals, and what it's like running a nonprofit.
We'll
Nice.
be linking all of those links down below for you guys so you can check out their donation page, their Amazon wish list page. We are actually sponsors of the Capybara exhibit, so if that's something that you guys want to do, we'll link that down below for you as well. But if you can't do any like monetary stuff, we definitely would like for you guys to check out their channel because that'll help them like tremendously.
Yeah, and you guys do tours of this facility too,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Yep.
So how does anybody book a tour?
Well, you can go on our Facebook, on Instagram, emailing us, calling us, and we do private tours, so we're not open to the public, but it's a private tour about an hour and a half long. You get to see and learn about all these animals and get to meet a lot of them as well.
We'll actually link some videos where we took some tours and we had a great time. And the cool thing about this is that every tour is different. So even if you watch our tour videos and you come and do your own tour, you're gonna see different things, you might see different animals, so definitely check it out.
Yeah. So all in all, a fantastic day. Thank you to Brian and Kylie for having us out.
Thank you guys.
You guys, yeah, you guys are awesome.
Thank you guys for all the awesome work that you do though. Like
Yeah.
the stuff that they're doing here is really, truly, it is amazing. And we're just so thankful that there are people like you out there doing that kind of work. So thank you.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
So with that being said, we're off. We'll see you guys tomorrow. And now it's time to pay the price.